Today, I'll show you how to add Google Calendar to Outlook. By the end of this tutorial, your Google events will appear right inside Outlook so you can see everything in one place without switching tabs or apps all the time. We'll start on the Google side where we'll grab a special link to your calendar and then we'll move over to Outlook to subscribe to that link. Once that's done, Outlook will stay in sync and pull in updates from Google automatically. First, open a web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account that owns the calendar you want to use. Give it a moment to load, and you should see your main calendar view with your events. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the section labeled My Calendars. This is where Google lists all the calendars associated with your account, like your main calendar, holidays, reminders, or any additional calendars you've created. Hover your mouse over the specific calendar you want to add to Outlook. Make sure you pick the one that actually contains the events you care about. When you hover over that calendar name, you'll see three vertical dots appear next to it. Click those three dots to open a small menu of options for that calendar. This menu is where you can customize and manage that particular calendar. From that menu, click on Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a dedicated settings page just for that calendar, not all calendars. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the right one by checking the calendar name at the top of the page. Now scroll down the settings page until you find the section called Integrate Calendar. This is where Google provides different ways to connect your calendar with other apps and services. You might see several links here, but the one we care about is the address in iCal format. Find the field labeled something like secret address in iCal format or public address in iCal format, depending on your sharing settings. Click into that field and copy the full link. This link is what Outlook will use to subscribe to your Google Calendar, so make sure you copy the entire thing, not just part of it. With that link copied, open a new tab and go to outlook.live.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Once Outlook finishes loading, look at the icons on the left side and click on the calendar icon to switch from email view to calendar view. In Outlook's calendar view, look for an option that says Add Calendar. It's usually at the top or on the left, depending on your layout. Click Add Calendar to open the calendar adding options. From the options that appear, choose Subscribe from Web. This tells Outlook that you're going to provide a web link, like the iCal link you copied from Google. In the field that appears, paste the Google Calendar link you copied earlier. You can also give this calendar a name and choose a color if Outlook offers that, which makes it easier to distinguish from your other calendars. When everything looks good, click Import or Subscribe, depending on the label you see. Outlook will take a moment to connect to that link and pull in your Google Calendar events. After a short pause, you should see your Google events appear in your Outlook calendar view. That's all you need to do to add your Google Calendar to Outlook.